This video is going to be dealing with my big question, which is how does one go on living when they know that one day they will die, and it's going to be over the book Slaughterhouse 5 using the character Billy Pilgrim. In the book, among other things, Billy goes to war and is abducted by aliens, which is the two biggest points associated with this question in my case. When Billy goes to war, he is basically surrounded by death. There's a thin line between life and death for Billy. He sees it all the time. He's surrounded by it. He's in it. To him, the death is very real to him. Unlike Catcher in the Rye, which is my other book, where it's known but it's not understood. He very much well understands, especially after he's abducted by the aliens, and they reveal to him the concept of time and how it is cyclical and not linear, like the people on Earth believe. One of the important parts of that and the cyclical reasoning is their phrase, so it goes. As in that while in one time period someone may die, in an alternate dimension they are still alive. And so basically what this does for Billy is he knows that he's going to die, but he basically has no fear. He predicts his own death and knows when it's going to happen, but he knows that he can go into basically another dimension, and he's always living, basically. There's possibilities always. So to him, with deal with death, it's something he's, I wouldn't say comfortable with, but very familiar with. And he doesn't have a problem living with that thought in the back of his head, because he knows that there is basically always an alternative. And that since time is cyclical, basically death is not permanent.